Ninth question, it says Kunal walks 10 kilometers towards the north. So, ninth question, starting from here, Kunal walks 10 kilometers towards the north. So, starting, he goes 10 kilometers towards the north. So, this complete distance is 10 kilometers. Then he walks 6 towards south. So, reverse marta hai and he comes back 6 kilometers, right? So, if this distance is 6, then this remaining distance is 4, and currently he's standing at this particular point, right? He started here 1, he went here 2, now he's reached this particular point 3. Now he walks 3 kilometers towards the east. So 3 kilometers towards the east, and this is the end position that he has reached. So if I know that this distance is 4 and this distance is 3, from the starting to the ending point, straight line distance, right angle triangle, right? So if this is 3 and this is 4, then using Pythagoras theorem, we can easily find out this distance is under root of 4 square plus 3 square, that is 5 kilometers. So from the starting position, this, if we have to look at direction, then north, south, east, west, this direction is northeast. So the final answer is he's 5 kilometers northeast to the original position that he was in. Okay, chalo. Next problem, let's take a look at the 10th one now. In the 10th one, it says that Rohan walks a distance of 3 towards north. So he walks a distance of 3 towards north. Then left walked 2. From here, left he walked 2. Then again left and 3. Again left and 3. Remember, 3 up, 3 down, it is in the straight line. Now at this point, he turns left and walks 3. From here, the left is the opposite direction, right? This distance is 2, but he has walked 3. So from the starting point, he has gone a bit ahead. So now how many kilometers is he from the starting point? So from this point, the ending point, the distance is 1 kilometer. So he's just 1 kilometer away from the point where he started. Okay. Let's take a look at the next question, the 11th one. Question 11 says that Manik walked 40 towards north. So from starting point, let's say Manik walked 40 towards the north. Left turn walked 20. So left turn walked 20. Left turn walked 40. Left turn walked 40. So how far in which direction from the starting point? Obviously this is a rectangle, so this starting point and ending point, the distance will be the same as this, so 20 kilometers. And from the starting point, so north, south, east, west, from the starting point, this side is west, so he's 20 kilometers west of the starting point. Next one, question number 12. Let's take a look at question number 12. It says Namita walked 14 towards the west, right? So from the starting point, Namita walked 14 towards the west, turned right and walked 14. So again turned right from this point and walked 14. Then turned left and walked 10. So turned left and walked 10. Turned left and walked 14. So coming back to the original line. So shortest distance between starting and present position. This is the starting position, this is the present position. So this distance is 14 and this remaining distance is 10. So 10 plus 14, the total distance between the starting and the ending point is equal to 24. Moving ahead to the next set of questions, the 13th one. Let's take a look at the 13th one. 13th one says a man leaves for his office and walks towards east. So from a point walking towards east, after moving 20 kilometers, he turns south and walks 10. Then he walks 35 towards the west. So if this is 35, this will be 20 till here, and this remaining distance will be 15. That is 35 minus 20. Now he walks 5 north. So he's walking 5 north, right? This down is 10. So up 5 north and turns east and walks 15. So 15 we have already marked is exactly this point. This distance is 5. He's exactly below the starting point, and this distance from the 10 you subtract 5 is 5. So where is he from the final position? From the final position he is simply 5 kilometers away. So we have to be careful. This is 5 kilometers away. Okay. 14th question. Radha moves towards southeast. So let's make north, south, east, west. So from the starting, Radha moves southeast 7. then towards west she travels 14, then northwest she travels 7, and then east she travels 4. Now this is, as you can see, a parallelogram. So the top total distance again should be 14, but she has traveled only 4, so the remaining distance is definitely 10. So from the starting point, the remaining distance is 10. 15th question. Gopal starts from his house towards the west. So he's starting towards the west. So from the house he starts towards the west. After walking a distance of 30 meters, he turned towards the right and walked 20 meters. Then turned left and moving a distance of 10 meters, turned to his left and walked 40 meters. Now he turned to his left and walked 5 meters. Finally he turns to his left, right? So finally he turns to his left. So let's confirm all the directions. He starts towards the west 30, right 20, then left 10, left 40, from here left 5, and finally turn to the left. So which direction is he walking now? He's clearly walking towards the north. So the final direction that he's walking is simply the north direction.